Hello everyone. Right now I'm going to show you this blue-pied hen. She's splashed white on the head. She has a white bib. Start with her left wing. Okay, so her left wing we have starting in terms of considering what the primary feathers look like. It starts with, on the left wing, it starts with two blue primaries followed by all whites. On her right wing, we have one blue primary followed by two whites, then a blue, and then the rest are white. That's her right wing. So this is a blue-pied hen, splashed white on the head with a white bib, and that's what she looks like. Okay, that's what she looks like. All right, so I'm going to release her now into the coop and show you another one, another pigeon, much younger. This one is a little more than a month old, but actually ready to go outside and begin to navigate around and get used to the surroundings and fly. So we'll start with the left wing, and this one is splashed white on the head, has a white bib. On the left wing, we have two blue primaries, considering the primary feathers, two blue primaries followed by whites, just like the mother, just like that hen. But it's not actually this one's mother. And that's the interesting thing about this. Okay, so the right wing is not exactly the same as the mother, but somewhat close. So we have a blue followed by a white, then a blue, then the rest until the 10th are white. Okay, so that's the right wing. Again, it's splashed white on the head, has a white bib. And so this is very interesting because actually this one comes from eggs that were laid by her, solid blue, and then there is her husband up there, another solid blue, kind of smoky blue color. All right, so that's what's interesting because normally in two previous rounds that I had raised by them, they raised their own from their own babies. There is one of them there, and from a previous round, there's one actually outside, but I'm not going to go all the way over there just to show it to you, but it basically looks the same, essentially. And so if, I put the eggs under that other pied mother, and somehow or another, through the surrogacy, I believe it influenced the way this bird turned out, because I cannot see that exact and that much detail in terms of resemblance just by coincidence or due to it being a throwback to another generation. I believe that it's likely a case, of morphic resonance. For those of you who are familiar with Rupert Sheldrake's theory of morphic resonance, he was saying that he believes that, the genes code for proteins and amino acids. And I don't know much about that exactly, but they don't really explain how form actually comes into being. Well, in this case, maybe they don't even explain color traits and other morphological traits as well. Maybe that's due to morphic resonance, and maybe it's been overlooked. So anyway, that's what this video is about. There will be follow-up videos because I'm kind of doing a longitudinal study. And so that mother and her husband down there are raising these ones as surrogates from that blue-pied hen. And these ones, their eggs are hatched now and about the same age as those babies there, and they're being raised by the blue-pied hen. So we're going to see what actually happens with those and what influence there is. That's in a follow-up video, and so for now, I just wanted to show you what's going on with this. So I've named this bird the Sheldrake Bird because I really believe it's a real case of morphic resonance that contributed to how this bird, what color it ended up actually being so close to the mother. So anyway, that's it for this video. Take care, and goodbye.